Hello people, today I wanted to show you option about emitter light, emission light. When you want to pay attention, we have like emission, but we also have like luminance, luminance. This option, what does this option do? I will show you some renders, because I rendered. We have got dark render, brighter render, brighter but not as good, the brightest one. This option is to do how strong light is in the scene. Luminance, you can see the difference. The strongest one, average, a little bit stronger. And if you wanted to know this option, this is value, but this is what you have to pay attention on. I want to render now. I will not render now because this may take some time, but this option is to do how strong emission light is. I hope you like this video tutorial because I already explained to you how to increase strength of emission light.